Hello, so question number 138. Current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer is 5 dV by MA and its voltage sensitivity, angular deflection per unit voltage applied, is 20 dV by V. The resistance of the galvanometer is. So we have current sensitivity 5 dV by MA and voltage sensitivity which is 20 dV by V, and we have to find the resistance of the galvanometer. So the correct answer is 250. Now let us see how. So current sensitivity, as we know, that Ig is equals to NBA by K, and voltage sensitivity is Ig divided by R. So which basically means that NBA upon K into R. So we have Ig, that is 5 division, which will come out to be 5000 division by ampere, and then we have 20 division by voltage applied. So for R we have to divide 5000 by 20, and the result comes out to be 250. Thank you.